One thing I would add for a tutorial like this to shoot through is, especially on phone, you don't have to swipe. You can click on this, or I don't know if I can't click, but spacebar. Oh, anyway, you can click on this and then click where you want. So I'll hit my spacebar. Yeah, okay, PC doesn't work, but so you can't do that in PC, but you can do that in phone. If you just click on that and then click where you want to go, pretty much guarantee shoot through anywhere you want. Yeah, good looking port though. Good tip.